Hello, little dreamers. Welcome again to Kids Magic Tales. I am Ikram Bernousi, and today I'll tell you about Sophia and a very special bird she met by the river. One afternoon, while walking near the river, Sophia heard a little and soft chirping sound. She turned and saw a small golden bird with shining wings. The bird said, "I can grant you one wish, Sophia. What do you want most?" Sophia thought carefully. She could have asked for toys, sweets, or treasures, but instead she looked at the river and said, I wish my village always has clean, fresh water for everyone." The bird flapped its wings, and suddenly the river sparkled with pure water. From that day on, the village had fresh water, and everyone was grateful for Sophia's thoughtful wish. Children, Sophia showed us that the true kindness is thinking of others before yourself. That's the magic, generous heart. Thank you for listening to Kids Magic Tales with me, Ikram Bernousi. Ask your parents to subscribe to my podcast so you never miss the next magical story. See you soon!